All right, so we're going to go ahead and preview and predict together. So as you can see here on the slide, I have a screen grab of the title page, and then we have the subheadings and one more picture. These are all of the text features that we are going to see in this article. So I'm going to start examining and reading to you the titles and subheadings, and you are going to need to answer this question. What question do you think this text will answer about the topic of background information of the Union and Confederacy? So let's start with the title. The title says Military Background of the Union, Confederacy during the Civil War. Military background. Well, I can also see here in the picture that we are seeing military men. The caption states that Union Major General Philip Sheridan and his generals in front of his tent in 1864. Photograph unknown. So here are some more soldiers. They are in the military. Then we see a subtitle that says North and South Comparisons, Davis versus Lincoln. And then there was a picture of Davis and Lincoln. The South's Davis, the North's Lincoln, high command strategies. So I want you guys to think, what question do you hope the text will answer about the topic? You are going to answer this question next, and you need to use this sentence starter. One question I hope the text will answer is, if you don't use this sentence starter, it will not let you move on to the next question. Go ahead and get started. Good luck.